Breathe cleaner with the MOOKA B-D02L air purifier. Its advanced filtration removes dust, allergens, smoke, and odors, keeping your home fresh and healthy quietly and efficiently. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MOOKA B-D02L air purifier, filter in air purifier, power adapter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Place on a flat, stable surface in your bedroom, keeping it at least 20 to 30 centimeters away from walls or furniture for optimal airflow. Open the filter panel and insert the air filter, ensuring the arrows match the airflow direction, then close the panel securely. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and select your preferred mode: auto, sleep, or turbo. You can also set a timer for automatic shutoff or activate sleep mode for quieter operation. And remember to reset the filter indicator whenever you replace the filter. Maintenance. This air purifier doesn't have a separate filter reset indicator. Instead, the fan speed light flashes when it's time to replace the filter, usually every 3 to 6 months. To change it, turn off and unplug the unit, remove and properly dispose of the old filter, and vacuum the inside to clear any remaining dust. Insert the new filter securely, then press and hold the fan speed button for 3 seconds to reset the indicator. Smart features. Removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. The 3-layer system also helps reduce odors for cleaner, fresher indoor air. Effectively purifies air in spaces up to 1,076 square feet, ensuring multiple air changes per hour for consistently fresh air. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices, it keeps large areas clean and healthy. Operates as low as 20 decibels, whisper quiet for sleep or work while using minimal power. Enjoy clean air without noise disruption or high energy costs. Features 4 fan speeds and 4 timer settings, letting you adjust airflow and runtime to your needs. An optional nightlight adds convenience for bedroom or nighttime use. Includes a child lock for safe operation and easy-to-replace filters, making maintenance simple and worry-free. Designed for daily use with both safety and user-friendliness in mind. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the MOOKA B-D02L air purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MOOKA B-D02L air purifier. See you in the next one.